That's cool. Now, I had a problem. The camera just mocks me. So there are like border crossings between in the other parts of the world, US and Canada. They share the waterfalls, the Niagara Falls, and there is the Argentina and Brazil. They share the Iguazu Falls together. And now this is between Zimbabwe and Zambia. So we'll soon see the waterfalls again. Mind your phone, man. Look at this. I must mind my camera.
Holding my phone tight.
Wow. We take our time. We got time. Let's hope they don't rob us time while getting into Zambia.